Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be unboxing this. Order ko siya kay Marwin Huesca. Siya yung gumagawa ng handmade watercolors, and this one is his shifting colors watercolor. Apparently, yun yung iridescent version niya. So, buksan lang natin carefully. So, ayan. Naka-bubble wrap siya. Tapos, actually, second time ko nang mag-order sa kanya. And the first order na receive ko is yung, normal na metallic watercolors niya. So, ayan siya. Ito yung box niya. Huesca Handmade Watercolor. This item belongs to Queenie, so I think it's handwritten. Handwritten yung name ko. I love the E. I'll be borrowing that in my future lettering videos. Anyway, so open lang natin. So ayan, so meron siya ng parang tissue paper, and then may sticker ng Huesca Handmade Watercolors. Let's just tear it up. Tapos, merong fillers. Tapos, ito, meron ulit nung thank you note niya with my name again. Tapos, thank you for your purchase and supporting my small business. Tapos, yung link niya sa Facebook page niya, tsaka sa Instagram. So, yeah. Pwede siyang follow. Ito yata yung free. Parang free siya na color. Vine. That's the name. Vine. Tapos, ano siya? Parang dried blob ng watercolor. So, here's the pans. So, yan siya. Check this out. Swatch card. Oh, so, ayan. Andito pala yung set name. So, ayan. See siya. Oh, I really like the lettering on this card. Oh, man. This is really good. Set B. Sa A, ang name nung colors are Viper. I think this is Stinks and Mimosa. Tapos, we have Silka Gel. Ayan. Kailangan to kasi baka magkaroon ng mold yung watercolor. So, ayan. Tapos, sa set B, name ng colors are Tamaka, Garnet, and Aurora. Set C, we have Celestia, and Peridot, and Tinkerbell. Open natin sila each. Oh, the gold foil is beautiful. So, ayan siya. Let's see kung makikita niyo yung parang shifting color niya. Is it visible? Hindi siya masyadong kita. I really like you. Here we go. You can see the here. There. It's changing from like yellow green to gold to green. Right? It's beautiful. Next, we have the this one is the Viper. So, yeah. That's the one. May name yung gilid ng pants. So, open this. Oh, this one's the Stinks. Oh, I like this. Di siya masyadong kita sa video, but it's more visible in person. This one This one is the Mimosa. Medyo hawig siya. So, what's the difference? I don't know. So, sa personal, parang meron tong hint ng blue. Ito parang yellow yung ano niya. Sparkle. What do you call that? I don't even know. Anyway, off to the set B. We have... Ooh! Oh, gorgeous. We have Garnet. From purple to blue to... I don't know. Anyway, so yan siya. There. See? And we have... Ta-da! Mermaid char. This is Aurora. Well, yeah, clearly. Yan. Oh my god. Ganda. From pink to like ice blue to blue green. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Next, we have Tamara. There you go. So, ayun, sa ibang colors, parang hindi masyadong kita yung difference ng iridescent color niya. Anyway, so, ayan, this is set B. Next, we have... Oh! Ito, tignan nyo. Very obvious yung shift ng colors. Beautiful. Oh, and this is Celestia. Next, we have... Peridot. Peridot. Yep, anyway. That's the one. Probably butchering the name, but yeah. Next, we have, last but not least, is Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell. Oh, does it resemble Pixie Dust? But Pixie Dust is more like gold sparkle. Gold to rose gold, I guess. Actually, naka-state dun sa parang order form nito. Kung ano yung parang shades na nandun sa isang color. So, ayan na siya. I don't think this is the... Is this shifting too? Wait. No, it's not. So, parang ano lang siya. Metallic. This is Vine. So, yeah. Let's get to swatching. With these kinds of watercolor, you might need to like soak it for a few seconds before digging in. We have the dropper here. Here's the Viper. Woo! Yeah, that's perfect too. Ah, beautiful. You can see that? Oh my god, the colors. Beautiful. Mamaya, maganda to lalo kapag tuyo na sila. Talk about Aurora. Oh wow. Oh my god, this. So, dito muna tayo sa first set. Nag-dry na siya. Look at this. There. Oh my god. Yeah. Is that it? Yun ba yun? I don't know. I guess yun siya. And this one. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. There you go. Next is C. Oh my god, yeah. There, you see that? Ang may green. Yung Celestia. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. Favorite set, B. And least favorite set, I don't know. Tay yung C and A. Sorry. This one, we are gonna be swatching the vine. So, syempre. Anyway. Oh, I wanna do this. Can I still save it? Not as good. Not as good. I'm sorry. I love how the colors are so even. Hindi siya yung parang nagpupull lang sa isang part ng water. I've used watercolors like that. Yung kapag ka ilagay mo siya sa papel, nagstay lang sa isang part ng tubig yung pigments. And I hate those kinds of watercolors. Pero ito, oh my god, it's laying out flatly. Colors are very evenly distributed. I love the lettering on this, by the way. The W, oh my god. Ooh. And the S. Siguro ginamit niya dito, dip pen. Tignan na natin in action tong watercolor, so kindly enjoy the art. At ito na nga ang ating finished artwork. Simple lang yung ginawa ko. I just wanted to showcase the beauty of this wonderful watercolor. Sana po nagustuhan nyo yung unboxing, swatching, and sort of review of Huesca Handmade Shifting Watercolors. I really love these watercolors and I will definitely be using this in my future artworks. If you want to see me do more of these kinds of videos, you may say so on the comment section below. And shout out to Marwin Huesca. These watercolors are so beautiful. The quality is unexpected. I really like this. Pwede ko na siyang gawing alternative dun sa aking Fine-Tech Arabic Gold watercolor kasi malapit na yung maubos. Just keep up the good work and keep doing watercolors with this quality. I'm so glad I found this. Anyway, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!